Hello everyone, my name is Sahil and welcome to One Fashion e-commerce store which is selling different kinds of product in various categories such as health, female, dress, sports and health and fitness. You can see there are different types of banners available on the home screen. You can also see there are different types of schemas, discounts and sale going on. You can also find there are some different kinds of product which are available in different category. So it's just an overview of how many products are available in different category. Below that you can find there are some clothing available for females and you can see there are some popular products in their category. You can see there are a strip of showing features such as showing some features of the company. Below that you can find a category filter where you can select a different option like for men and female. You can see different types of products. Below that you can see health and fitness products. You can find there are different products which are available on sale, and in the footer there are some top rated products which are trending on our store. The basic information of our store like address, contact and social media information and other latest information. By going to another section like by clicking on the particular product, you can find different types of products available in particular category. If you want to sort that product by clicking any option, like let's take an example and click on sort by popularity, you can see the result according to the popularity. So this is ranking based on the popularity. So you can filter all the products from different category using the filters. Now next part will be explained by Jay.
Hello everyone, let me explain what we have implemented. We have the main plugin we have implemented in this e-commerce store is WooCommerce. So in that we have implemented Stripe payment gateway. Along with that we have also provided the cash on delivery scheme with some other coupon options, so they can use different coupon option and can get a free delivery as well. We have also implemented coupons, some ongoing sales coupons and free shipping coupons. We have also listed those coupon schemes on our website which is ongoing. So along with that we have implemented different products in different categories, and for custom plugins we have implemented Sell Flasher plugin, which is like adding filter, using WooCommerce get price HTML hook to change to display a price different between sell price and a main price of product. So let me explain with an example. So for an example, in the home page there is this product. So the actual price of product is 200 and the discounted product is like 189. So basically this plugin print the save how much money will user save and the percentage of discount user getting. So basically this plugin is printing that amount and the percentage user saving. So basically this is a One Fashion e-commerce store which we have developed. Thank you everyone.